Amazon hot new releases, trending research for your print-on-demand business. I go in here and I break down some of the ideas that I found on the Amazon hot new releases to help you understand what is making sales right now and what patterns we can find so we can design ahead and possibly create a top selling product on Amazon or whatever you're selling on. You can be on Etsy, Redbubble, your own website. It doesn't really matter. We're doing research on the #1 online shopping platform. Let's get into the content and make sure you smash that like button if you get any value out of this video. All right, so I'm in the back end of Amazon new releases. This is one of the pages I enjoy checking when it comes to seeing like what's selling right now, what's trending, what people are buying, what's the newest release t-shirt and how is it doing and what patterns can I check and find. Okay, if you understand that, if you understand this concept, looking for patterns and then you see what's trending, like this is one of the best ways to make organic sales because there's a ton of sales velocity and there's about 2 pages of let's see if we go to page 1, 2 pages of, you know, different types of t-shirt designs that are doing pretty good right now. So these are the ones that I'm looking at right here. Now I want you to keep in mind like certain things, like for example, Easter is on the 5th. So it's coming up. It should be here, not this Sunday, but next Sunday, so 2 Sundays from now. Okay, and now it can be a little bit too late, but we can get a lot of knowledge from this. Okay, you can see like, you know, what this rabbit has a carrot, a cool rabbit, right? We researched this probably about a year 2 years ago. Okay, we found this cool rabbit with the glasses. It seemed to be doing pretty good. And now taking that concept and mixing it up a little bit more, this is one way to enter those high competitive niches. Now, what can you get from this? And can you get an idea or find a pattern that is working here and then push it to the next holiday? So let's say like Cinco de Mayo, can you, instead of a carrot, instead of a rabbit, or, you know, think of an idea, you could probably put a chili on the shoulder of, I don't know, maybe of a taco, right? Or something like that. Just thinking of different ideas and different concepts that can be done here and then leveraging that so you can create a top sell design for the next holiday. And as you're going to see, you look at these BSRs. So this was uploaded, what is that, like 9 days ago? But is uploaded 9 days ago and it is crushing. Okay, so if it was uploaded within 9 days and it's already at 72K BSR, there's definitely a demand for something like this. Okay, and it's making a lot of sales right now. This whole week is going to crush and make a lot of sales. That means this is a trending idea that can make you money and return, you know, turn into that one design that's probably going to sell all year long. Maybe all year long, but definitely for sure during Easter time, because this doesn't say Happy Easter or nothing like that, right? Just a general cool bunny with a carrot on his shoulder, right? You can get away with something like this, can possibly turn into an evergreen design, but every time Easter comes around, it's going to crush. Next, this is 6-7. This is crushing all over the internet for like the last year. It's like that dabbing. Remember when they did the dabbing? That was trending, but the 6-7 is definitely crushing it, making a lot of sales. Same thing with this one. It's not really, because it has the Easter eggs. That's more of a, you know, you see that when you see the Easter eggs, that, you know, you're relating that to Easter. So this is more likely just for Easter design. And 6-7, bunny ears, glasses, pretty cool, right? Doing pretty good. And we come down, same thing with this one. Uploaded what, 5 days ago? Look at how it's crushing. Okay, so understand that like something like this is probably being shared all over the internet and people are liking it and probably posting it everywhere, sharing it with a friend. Keep in mind when you're doing this type of stuff, like how can you create a design that you basically that someone wants to share with a friend, or they think it's cute, or it's like going crazy, like all over Facebook, all over X, all over YouTube, or all over, you know, just social media, TikTok, right? Something like this. If it's, you know, you create a cool design and it's shareable, that's one way to leverage those organic sales, right? Pretty cool. So now this one right here, we've been talking about this the last few weeks. We know that selfie style with the cat, the Bigfoot, you know, you get the rabbit in the back. This is like an Easter theme. Now we're taking the same concept. Trust me with this. Well, right here, taking the same concept and applying it to the next holidays, because I think we've seen it work for St. Patrick's Day. We've seen it work for Valentine's Day. Right now, it's working for Easter. Now, can we make it work for Cinco de Mayo? Can we make it work for 4th of July or any holiday that you like that you know? Okay, if you think of a holiday right now that has a demand and you can leverage this right here, get the UFO in the background, just a simple picture, selfie, cool, funny, off the wall type of design like this. If you can leverage something like this and create something in a niche, you can definitely make sales right here. Okay, so just think about Christmas, Thanksgiving too. Just think ahead. Take that same concept and think ahead and get it up on your platform. It doesn't matter what you're selling either. Obviously, you want to double check cross-platform. So if you're selling on Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, your own website, Shopify, none of those really matter. Just understanding, how you're going to create the design and then put it out. And that's the main goal here. Okay. Now we look at this one too. We look at the last 30 days on the 9th, but March 9th it shows right here, sell, and then look at that. It's making really good sales. Pretty cool, right? Now, this is not like an Amazon merch shirt, but this is more of a shirt on Amazon that's making sales. Where did you guys go? So like the face is missing. It's that funny chocolate bunny design. What? And the ears are gone. So it's like, can't see, ears are missing, my butt hurts. You can see the bite here. So there's different bites of the bunny. So it's more of those sarcastic, funny, make you smile type of t-shirt. And those always work, especially if you're like telling a joke or sarcastic joke. Any holiday, it doesn't matter. Okay, this works. This applies to any design on the internet or any niche on the internet or any holiday on the internet. If you can make something like this and come up with your own unique idea, you can plug it into Chat GPT or even Claude AI and think of different concepts and different ideas on what you can do here, right? So it's very powerful when it comes to anything like this. Next was I had potential. Something like this. It seems to be like just a simple saying. Now, making sure that you're always double checking for trademarks and copyrights. Because when you see something that's simple like this, you're like trying to figure out like, where is it coming from? We can probably do a quick Google search and see if we find anything. Okay. All right. It's more of like a saying that seems like on the internet, right? But something simple like this, like a simple text-based design, it can definitely do pretty good. And the reason being I just want to always double check and, making sure where is it coming from. But that's cool. It's a simple 3-letter word and then it's making sales. Now, one of the things, look at this, crushing it, 39K, 42K. That's crazy, BSR. We're looking at the sales rank. The lower the sales rank, the more sales velocity. Keep that in mind. So most likely if it's up here, let's say it's probably making like 1 to 2 or 3 sales a day. Now, when it gets lower and lower, like closer to 40, 30, now you're probably pushing anywhere between 5 to 30 sales a day, depending the holiday and the time of year, right? If you're pushing like that towards like Q4 or towards any holiday, I want you to think about the traffic that it's generating, especially with like Amazon. If it gets to that front page and it's generating the type of traffic during a holiday, so for Easter, for example, if it's generating that organic traffic from Easter in the algorithm, you're probably getting hundreds of thousands of views, and which can generate into thousands of sales, hundreds and thousands of sales. Okay, so 100 sales to 1,000 sales, right? That's what I mean. And that right there is very powerful when it comes to anything like this. And getting on that front page of a certain long tail keyword it can make all the difference with your business on here. Now, I wanted to go ahead and just showcase you, show all these different ideas, different concepts, and what we can do and what we can learn from what is selling right now. That's the main goal, right? What can you learn by, leveraging the Amazon hot new releases and what is selling right now and what you can do moving forward when it comes to looking at any of these different unique ideas, right? Now, I'm going to keep this going. Try to keep this going weekly. We're just coming up with new concepts, new ideas that I'm seeing that are populating, making sales, and just quick research and see, okay, look at this is doing good. This is doing good. This is doing good. This is how you do it. But I do offer, as far as I do weekly research on the channel every week and, do my own research and dive in and just show you different concepts and different ideas to help with your business. That's the main goal of this channel, is to share tips and tricks with you. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do offer a free spreadsheet that you can download. Then I offer a service where you get 20 low competition niches every single week. The free service is 5 niches a week. And then the main service with a little bit more detail as far as the keywords, the niche, the design angle, and the prompt ideas for those niches. It's called the Top Research Design Vault. That's going to be down below in the description. Everything I shared in the video is going to be down below in the description. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. If you got any value out of this video, make sure you smash that like button because it helps me. And watch this video right here next if you want more low competition niches.